guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Olivia, and today I'm going to film a little what I eat in a day. I think I explained this all in my last one of these, but today's a weekday, so today's a day that I'm trying to eat vegan. So yeah, I put on self-tan last night, so I look kind of orange, so excuse that. And I'm about to go to work, so I do kind of look like an egg with my hair like this. So excuse that as well. But yeah, I'm just gonna go downstairs and get some breakfast. Hey guys, so it's about 11:30 now, and I just have like a quick break at work, so I'm gonna have a little snack. So I've brought with me a banana, and I also just went into, there's a really cute little like greengrocers, and I went in and I bought some strawberries, but I also bought nectarines because I love nectarines. I also love strawberries, but the strawberries are like for our house, so they also had like the prettiest flowers, and I really wanted to buy some, but I felt like because I have like another couple of hours of work, and if the flowers were just sitting in my car, it's like quite warm and I feel like they just wouldn't do that well. But anyway, so I'm just gonna eat this little nectarine and this banana, so I'll probably see you guys later when I'm having my lunch. Hey guys, so basically here's the situation. This is what I eat in a day. I'm trying to make it realistic, but basically the situation currently the situation currently is I really want to get a McDonald's. McDonald's drive-thrus have just opened in Northern Ireland like a week ago. I haven't had one, and like honestly I want it to happen. Like I want it to happen more than I want to live right now. And I kind of Hey guys, so I've just got home from work, I'm kind of hiding in my car because it's raining, and I'm trying to wait until it stops raining to get out of my car. But yeah, I'm gonna go into the house now, obviously, and get a shower, wash my hair and everything, and then I'm gonna get some lunch. So I'm gonna have today some potato and leek soup. It is vegan. It's made with obviously potato and leeks. It's got onions, rosemary, thyme, garlic, coconut milk. So I'm really excited about that because it's really good. And we have some bread that is like it's called giraffe bread on like the packet in Sainsbury's, but I feel like everyone calls it tiger bread, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna have some of that. That's gonna be my lunch. I also want a protein shake because I just want one, and I would kind of have, after my lunch, I would maybe have like something sweet. I cannot stop yawning, I'm so tired. Anyway, I'm gonna go inside now, shower, get dressed, and then we'll get some lunch. Hey guys, so right now it is, I think 5:30. Yeah, it's just after 5:30 and I'm going to start making dinner. Yes, before you ask, I am in my onesie. I'm cold. So tonight I'm gonna make burrito bowls. So I'm gonna do like some spicy tomato rice. I'm gonna do like salady bits, some beans. It's just gonna be a really good time. So yeah, I will show you guys me making it. had dinner, like you saw I think I explained, but I did burrito bowls. So I just cooked some basmati rice, and I was gonna make it like spicy tomato rice, but I couldn't be bothered to make another pan dirty to do that, because then I'd have to wash another pan. So we just went for plain rice, which was actually nicer in the end because there was loads of other stuff in. So I did basmati rice, spinach, cucumber, orange pepper, and then I made a salsa, which was like tomatoes, red onion, chili, lime juice. It was really good. And I did some tzatziki, which is like a Greek dip thing, but I really like it in like Mexican food. So it's basically just yogurt and cucumber and a bit of mint, but it's really good. It's like rather than sour cream, so I obviously used dairy-free yogurt for that. And what else? Oh yeah, like a little bean mix, which was like haricot beans, sweet corn, and then like a bunch of spices, and that was really good as well. But yeah, and then after dinner, I just really wanted something sweet, but we didn't really have like any dessert type things. So we had like some puff pastry, and I thought I would make some berry chocolate twists. And I had seen like a couple of recipes, but none of them were vegan. So I kind of just like made it up, and I took them out of the oven and they were not cooked, so I've just put them back in the oven. Can you hear this? Like, can you hear that sizzle? It's really a wonderful noise. So this is they look kind of burnt. They're not. It's just because of the chocolate. They're really dark, but yeah, I still kind of think they're a bit mushy in the middle, so I don't really know. I'm just gonna leave them to like vibe on their own for a bit and then come back and see how they're doing. So I ended up cooking them for another 9 minutes. So in total they were in for 21 minutes, which is kind of a long time. 21 minutes at 200 degrees. I just cut a little bit off one, so I'm gonna try it now and let you guys know how good it is or how bad it is. That's actually not bad. Okay, that's actually really nice. Yeah, that was really good. So considering this is what I eat in a day, I'm gonna have probably half of one of these because they're really, really big, and that's gonna be my little like sweet thing after my dinner. And I've also got this big Mahusive cup, which is literally the size of my head. I've got this with Diet Coke in it. So, and yeah, that's probably all I'm gonna eat for the rest of the day. So I'll probably finish off this video here. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. If you want to see more what I eat in a day videos, then let me know. And also if you have any kind of, I was gonna say any food related videos, any videos at all that you like want to see, I'm just gonna eat this and then probably watch some TV and go to bed. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope it's a good one, and I will see you next time. Bye.